Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online classes of DPS Sahiwal. I am your maths teacher Muhammad Asad, SS Math. Today our maths lecture number 16 of class 6. Chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is whole numbers. Contents that we will discuss today are multiplication of whole numbers. Exercise 2.4, question number 1 and question number 3. Previous knowledge. In previous lecture we have learned the definition of whole number. The definition of whole number is the number 0 together with the natural numbers gives us whole numbers. And this is the tabular form of whole numbers. Now we start exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Statement of the question is find the product of following whole numbers. We have to find product of given whole numbers. First part, and given whole numbers are first whole number is 87, second whole number is 62. We have to multiply these whole numbers. We will write greater whole number at the first row, that is 87, and second whole number or smaller whole number at the second row, that is 62. We also put multiplication sign at the start of second row. Now we will multiply 2 with 7 and 8, then 6 with 7 and 8. First of all, we multiply 2 with 7 and 8. 2 7s are 14. We will put 4 here and carry 1. 2 8s are 16 and we will add 1 in the 16. 16 plus 1 17. We will write 7 under 8 and 6 and we will write 1 on the left hand side. So when we multiply 2 with 87, we got 174. Now we will multiply 6 with 7 and 8. For this purpose, first of all, we will put cross sign under 4. After putting the cross sign under 4, we will multiply 6 with 7. 6 7s are 42. From 42, we will write 2 under 7 and we will carry 4.
6 8s are 48. In 48, we will add carry 4. 48 plus 4. So it will become 52.
We will write 2 under 1 and 5 on the left hand side. So when we multiply 6 with 87, we will get 522. After multiplication, now we will add them 4 plus 0, 7 plus 2, 1 plus 2 and 5. After addition, we got 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 2 9, 1 plus 2 3 and 5 as it is. So when we multiply 87 with 62, answer will be 5394. So product of multiplication of 87 and 62 is 5394. Now next part, given whole numbers are 59 and 91. In first row, we will write greater number 91. At second row, first we put multiplication sign. This cross sign is multiplication sign. And then we will write 59. 9 under 1 and 5 under 9. First we will multiply 9 with 1 and 9. Then we will multiply 5 with 1 and 9. So multiplication, 9 ones are 9. 9 nines are 81. From 81, 1 is written under 9 and 5 and 8 is written on the left hand side. Before multiplication of 5 with 1 and 9, first of all we put a sign under 9, then we multiply 5 with 1. 5 ones are 5, answer will be 5, we will write 5 under 1. Now we will multiply 5 with 9, 5 nines are 45. From 45, 5 will be written under 8 and 4 will be written at leftmost. Now we will add 9 plus 0 will be 9, 1 plus 5, 6, 8 plus 5, 13. From 13 we will write 3 under 8 and 5 and 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1 carry will become 5. So product of 91 and 59, when we multiply 91 with 59, answer will be 5369. Next part is third. Given whole numbers are, first whole number is 107, second whole number is 77. For multiplication, at the first row we will write greater number, that is 101. And at the second row, first we will put multiplication sign and then we will write 77. This 7 will be written under 1 and this 7 will be written under 0. Now we will multiply this sign with 1, 0 and 1. After that we will multiply this 7 with 1, 0 and then with 1. When we multiply 7 with 1, 7 ones are 7. Then 7 multiplied by 0, 7 0 are 0. And then 7 multiplied by 1, 7 ones are 7. After that, before multiplication of 7 with 1, 0 and 1, first we will put cross sign under 7. After that, we will multiply 7 with 1, 7 ones are 7 and this 7 will be written under 0. After that, 7 will multiply by 0, 7 0 are 0 and this 0 will be written under 7. After that, 7 will multiply by 1, 7 ones are 7 and this 7 will be written on the left hand side. After that, we will add them. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 0 will become 7, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 0, 7 and this 7 is as it is. So the product of 101 and 77 is 7777. Next, in next part, first whole number is 456 and second whole number is 150. We have to multiply these whole numbers. At first row, we will write greater number, that is 456. At second row, we will write second number, that is 150 and we will put this multiplication sign. Now we will multiply 0 with 6, 5, 4. After that 5 multiply with 6, 5 and 1 and after that 1 will be multiplied by 6, 5 and 4. When we multiply 0 with 6, 0 6 are 0 and this 0 will be written under 6 and 0. When we multiply 0 with 5, answer will be 0 and this 0 will be written under 5, 5. After that 0 will be multiplied by 4, 0 4s are 0. So this 0, third 0 will be written under 4 and 1. Before multiplication 5 with 6, 5 and 4, we put cross sign under 0. After that we will multiply 5 with 6, 5 6 are 30. From 30 we put 0 under 0 and we will carry 3. 5 5s are 25. We will add 3 in 25. 25 will become 28. From 28 we will put 8 under this 0 and we will carry 2. 5 4s are 20. In 20 we will add 2. 20 will become 22. So we will write 22 on the left side. Now we will multiply 1 with 6, 5 and 4. Before multiplication of 1, first we will put 2 cross. First cross will be under 0 and first cross. Similarly, second cross will be written under 0 and 0. After that, we will multiply 1. 1 multiplied by 6. 1 6 are 6 and this 6 will be written under 0, 8 and 6. After that, 5 1s are 5. This 5 will be written under 2. And after that 1 multiplied by 4, this 4 will be written under this 2. Now we will add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0, answer will be 0. Similarly, 0 plus 0, answer will be 0. 0 plus 8 plus 6, answer will be 14. We will put 4 here and we will carry 1 to the next number. 1 carry will add to 2. This number will become 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So, we will write 8 under 2 and 5. After that, we will add 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 will become 6. So, product of 456 with 150 will be 68,400. Now, next part is first whole number is 762. Second whole number is 309. At first row, we will write first whole number, that is 762. At second row, first we will put multiplication sign. After that, we will write 309. 9 will be written under 2, 0 will be written under 6 and 3 will be written under 7. After that, we will multiply. First we will multiply 9 with 2, 6 and 7. Then 0 with 2, 6 and 7. And after that, we will multiply 3 with 2, 6 and 7. First of all, we will multiply 9. 9 2s are 18. From 18, we will put 8 under 2 and 9 and we will carry 1 to the next number. 9 6. 9 6 are, we know that 9 6 are 54. In 54, we will add 1 carry. 54 will become 55. From 55, we will put 5 here under 6 and 0 and we will carry 5 to the next number. Now, we will multiply 9 with 7. 9 7s are 63 and in 63, we will add 5 carry. 63 will become 68. 68, we will write 68 as, from 68, 8 will be written under 7 and 3 and 6 will be written on left side. Now we will multiply 0. Before multiplication of 0 with 2, 6 and 7, we will put multiply sign or cross sign under 8. We will put cross sign under 8. After that, we will multiply 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0 and this 0 will be written under 6, 0, 5. After that, 0 multiplied by 6. This 0 will be written under 8. After that, 0 multiply 7. This 0 will be written under 6. Now we will multiply 3 with numbers. Before multiplication of 3, first of all, we will write 2 cross. First cross under 8 and second cross under 5 and 0. After putting cross, we will multiply 3. First of all, 3 will multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 will be written under 8 and 0. After that, 3 will be multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18. From 18, 8 will be written under 6 and 0 and we will carry 1. 3 7s are 21. In 21, we will add 1 carry. 21 become 22. So we will write 22 on left side. After that, we will add them. 8 plus 0 plus 0. Answer will be 8. After that, 5 plus 0 plus 0. Answer will be 5. 8 plus 0 plus 6. 14. From 14, we will write 4 here and we will carry 1 to the next number. 1 from carry and 6. This becomes 7 plus 0 plus 8. 7 plus 8 will become 15. From 15, we will write 5 here and will carry 1 to the next number. 2 plus 1 carry will become 3 and this 2 will be as it is. So, when we multiply 762 with 309, this will be our answer. Similarly, next part, first number is 1357 and second number is 123. We have to multiply these whole numbers. At first row, we will write first or greater number. At second row, we will write second number, and at the start we will put multiplication sign. Then we will multiply 3 with 7, 3 with 5, 3 with 3, and after that 3 with 1. 3 multiplied by 7. 3 7s are 21. From 21 we will write number from the unit place, that is 1. We will write 1 here and will carry 2 to the next number. 3 5s are 15, and in the 15 we will add 2. 15 plus 2 17. From the 17 unit place number is 7. We will write 7 under 5 and 2 and will carry 1 to the next number. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 carry. This will become 10. From 10 0, that is at unit place, will be written under 3 and 1 and we will carry 1 to the next number. 3 1s are 3. In 3 we will add 1. So 3 will become 4. Now we will multiply 2 with 7, 5, 3 and 1. Before multiplication, first we put this cross sign under 1. After that we multiply 2. 2 multiplied by 7. 2 7s are 14. In 14 we know that 4 is at unit place. So unit place number, that is 4, will be written under 7 and we will carry 1 to the next number. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 carry. This will become 11. From 11, first 1 that is at unit place will be written here under 0 and we will carry 1 to the next number. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So we will write 7 under 4. Then we will multiply 2 with 1. 2 1s are 2. That will be written on left side. After that we will multiply with the next number. Before multiplication, first we put 2 cross. First cross will be put under 1 and cross, and second cross will be put under 7 and 4. After that we will multiply 1. 1 multiply 7. 1 7s are 7. And this 7 will be written under 0 and 1. After that 1 multiplied by 5 and this 5 will be written under 7 and 4. After that 1 multiplied by 3 and this 3 will be written under 2. And 1 will be multiplied by 1. This 1 will be written on left side. After that we will add them. 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1. Similarly 7 plus 4 11. From 11 1 is at unit place, so 1 from unit place will be written under 7 and 4 and 1 will carry to the next number. 0 plus 1 carry will become 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 7 9. So 9 will be written under 0, 1 and 7 after addition. After that 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 5 16. From 16, 6 is at unit place, so we will write 6 from unit place under 4, 7 and 5 and we will carry 1 that is at 10 place to as a carry. 2 plus 1 carry plus 3 5. 2 plus 1 carry 3 plus 3 6 and 1 as it is. So when we multiply 1357 with 123, we will get this answer. Similarly, next question, next part, first whole number is 1572 and second whole number is 241. At first row we will write greater of first number. At second row first we put multiplication sign and then 1 will be written under 1 under 2, 4 will be written under 7. Similarly 2 will be written under 5. After putting a line we will multiply 1. When we multiply 1 with 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 will be written under 2 and 1. 1 7s are 7. 7 will be written under 7 and 4. After that 1 will multiply 5. 1 multiplied by 5 5. 5 will be written under 5 and 2. Similarly 1 1s are 1 and this 1 will be written under this one. After that we will multiply this 4. Before multiplying 4 with 2, 7, 5 and 1, first we will put this cross sign under 2. After that we will multiply. Now we will start multiplication of 4. 4 4 multiplied by 2, 4 2s are 8 and this 8 will be written under 7. 4 7s are 28. From 28, 8 at unit place will be written under 5 and 2 from the 10 place will carry to the next number. 4 5s are 20 and we will add 2 to 20. So 20 will become 22. From 22, 2 from the unit place will be written under 1 and we will carry 2 to the next number. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6 and we will write 6 on the left side. After that, we will multiply 2 with above numbers. Before multiplying 2 with above number, first we will put 2 cross sign. First cross sign under 2 and cross sign. Next cross sign under 7 and 8. After that, we will multiply 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. We will write 4 under 5 and 8. After that, 2 7s are 14. From 14, 4 from unit place will be written under 1 and 2 and 1 will be carried to next number. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 carry will become 11. From 11, 1 from unit place will be written under 6 and 1 from 10 place will be carried to the next number. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 carry will become 3. Now we will add them. 2 plus 0 will become 0. So next 7 plus 8 15. From 15 5 will be written under 7 and 8 and we will carry 1 to next number. 5 plus 1 carry will become 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 4 18. From 18 8 will be written under 5, 8 and 4 and 1 will be carried to the next number. 1 plus 1 carry, this will become 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Next 6 plus 1, 7 and 3 as it is. So when we multiply 1572 with 241, we will get this answer. Product of above two whole numbers is this. Question number 3. Find the product of smallest 4-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. We have to find product of smallest 4-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. We know that smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and greatest 2-digit number is 99. Now we will multiply or we will find product. At first line, first row we will write greater number, that is 1000. At second line, first we will put multiplication sign and after that 9 will be written under this 0 and second 9 will be written under this 0. We will multiply 9 with 0, 0 and 1. After multiplication, we will get 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0. Similarly, 9 zeros are 0 and 9 ones are 9. After that, we will multiply this 9 with the above number. Before multiplication or cross sign, first we put cross sign under first 0. After that, we will multiply 9. 9 multiplied by 0, 0 will be written under this 0. Similarly, 9 multiplied by 0 will be written under this 0. Similarly, 9 will be multiplied by 0, 0 will be written under this 9 and 9 will be multiplied by 1 will become 9, will be written on left side. After that, we add them. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 0 and 9 as it is. So when we multiply smallest 4-digit number with greatest 2-digit number, we will get 99,000. This is your assignment, students. Thank you and have a nice day.